Huh? Hello. Hello and welcome to this truly beautiful and historical moment for Maserati. But first, before I introduce you any further to MC20, it is my pleasure to introduce you to Maserati racing driver Andrea Bertolini. Now, for a spot of context, Andrea is one of the most successful GT1 drivers ever, winning 4 world championships with Maserati in the MC12, and Andrea is now part of the development team of the MC20. So, Andrea, what does Maserati mean to you?
Well, James, for me, Maserati represents a family. As an Italian driver from Modena, it's a unique feeling to represent Maserati all over the world.
Fantastic. Let me tell you something, if I could drive anywhere near as good as this guy, I'd be a happy man. So tonight we're going to introduce you to a world of firsts. I've been really fortunate that I have seen and driven the future of Maserati, and let me tell you something, the future is truly exciting. This is the first time that Maserati had created a car like this, a race car for the road. Now, I know this term is something that gets thrown around a lot really easily these days, but this truly is the real deal. Having driven the car on this actual race circuit, I can confidently tell you it is magnificent on track. But importantly, it's not compromised. It's not compromised in comfort or luxury, with a truly beautiful interior and refined driving comfort to match. MC20 is also the first Maserati with butterfly doors. Now, not only do we know they look awesome, but they have allowed for enhanced aerodynamics of the car, and they are brilliant for access both in and out of the vehicle. This is also the first Maserati made almost entirely from carbon fiber. It's built around a carbon chassis, so MC20 is remarkably light. It's just over 1,400 kilograms, which makes for a stunningly agile drive. And sticking to the theme of firsts, MC20 is also the first Maserati to use downforce by channeling it underneath the car as opposed to over the top of it. And this is to create downforce and stability, but this also allows for a much cleaner design of the upper body, keeping it a truly beautiful machine. Additionally, the Nettuno engine is engineered and built entirely by Maserati. MC20 is the first Maserati to feature patented Formula One technology called pre-chamber combustion. That allows for 630 brake horsepower and 730 Newton meters of torque. It also makes it the most power-dense V6 road car engine. And finally, and potentially the most significant of firsts, this is the first car of its kind made 100% right here in Modena.
Buonasera, and welcome to Modena, to our home. Thank you for being with us from wherever you are. It's my honor and privilege tonight to be here on this stage with part of the Maserati team that shapes the future of our brand. They are the creators, the builders that together shape the future of Maserati. Maserati was born out of audacity more than 100 years ago. And since the beginning, Maserati was powered by passion, innovative by nature, and unique by design. These are values that have inspired us throughout all these years, and today are valid more than ever. Audacity is what the current times are demanding from all of us to build our future together. And at Maserati, our future is bright. What is new? There's new electrification. All of our new models will be electrified. New technologies. Maserati will reach level 3 of autonomous driving and the most advanced connectivity systems. We have a new combustion engine, Nettuno, a state-of-the-art Formula One technology, 100% made in Modena. We have a new customization program with the 40 series systems. And we have a new service with the Maserati Classiche. We have a new range of product with 13 new products and 3 restylings. And last but not least, we have a new endeavor. We're going back to racing, back to where everything started for us. Tonight, with MC20, we are introducing more than a supercar. We are setting the cornerstone to build the future of Maserati for the future. MC20 is the embodiment of our values, the first of its kind, 100% made in Modena. MC20 is the model that starts our new era. Tonight is the time to be audacious. And audacity for us at Maserati starts with listening. We listen to the voice of the consumer. We listen to the voice of the markets. We listen to the voice of our teammates. We listen to the voice of our product. We listen to the sound of Maserati.
So you guys, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below and like and subscribe to the Speeding Mode. Catch you in the next video. Bye!